Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung swerte blessings na parating sa inyo sa Jupiter and Gemini transit na ito na mangyayari ngayong May 2024 hanggang June 2025. So, isang taon na transit yan. Okay, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. So, let's see, Leo, anong energies ng Jupiter and Gemini para sa inyo. So, for you, Leo, ang Jupiter, which is the planet of expansion, abundance, prosperity, ay nasa inyong 11th house of friendship, community, group creativity. So, maaring may mga opportunities ka ngayon na maging part ng isang grupo, ng isang community na meron kayong pare-parehong interest. Okay? For example, mahilig ka sa sasakyan o kasama ka sa isang grupo ng mga car or owners or mga car enthusiast, ganyan. Nasali ka sa mga group activities, yung halimbawa naakyat kayo ng Baguio, naakyat kayo ng Tagaytay, yung mga ganon, no? Can be any group activities. And also, dahil doon, mas marami kang magiging kaibigan, no? Connections. Some of you, maaring i-explore nyo rin yung opportunities for you sa social media, sa internet. You may start your own business online, content creation. Pwede rin you will be a social media influencer or yung business mo isa-set up mo online. You will create your own website, ganyan. Some of you naman, maaring mas magiging experimental ka, no, sa iyong sarili, sa mga plano mo sa buhay, yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nagawa na experience. You might try new things para to enjoy, to be free. Kasi ngayon mas gusto mo na may freedom ka, na magawa yung gusto mo. Pwede rin merong travel opportunities para sa iyo, nakasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo, katrabaho mo, or people that you vibe with. Okay? Some of you will also learn a course, no? Yung course, pwedeng online course, short courses na related sa technology, social media, digital, anything digital na mga businesses, ganyan. So, maaari itong mas mag-resonate sa mga Leo rising, okay? So, if you're Leo sun or Leo moon, pwede ka mag-resonate. Pero kung hindi ka maka-resonate, i-check mo yung iyong rising sign. Kasi mas magre-resonate sa mga Leo rising. So, meron tong trine sa Pluto, which is in your 7th house, Aquarius. So, maaring yung iba yung iba, Leo rising, if you are Leo rising, I'm seeing a romantic connection coming in sa'yo. Kung ikaw ay isang single, no? If you're a single and you're looking for a romantic partner, maaring meron kang makilala this year, itong cycle na to, May 2024 hanggang June 2024. Pwedeng makikilala mo siya through friends, sa grupo, sa mga activities, sa hobbies mo, kung meron kang mga hobbies. This can be serious, no? Pwede itong maging seryosong relationship. Kasi meron siyang magiging pagbabago sa iyong sarili. Like, pwedeng may marriage dito. You will find yourself in a relationship with someone. So, yung 7th house is also about business partnership. So, pwedeng you will involve yourself into a business partnership. Pwedeng kasama ang isang kaibigan. Pero syempre, pag mga ganyang businesses, mahirap yung mga verbal na kontrata. So, you have to make sure na nakakontrata siya, nakasulat lahat. Kahit kaibigan mo pa yan, kahit best friend mo pa yan, kahit nga asawa mo pa yan, kailangan nakasulat, nakakontrata yung agreement ninyo para you are both protected. Okay? Yes, so major transformation for you. Pwede rin, mas magiging outgoing ka ngayon kung ikaw yung tipong may pagka-introverted, no? Ngayong transit na to, you will be more friendly, mas magiging outgoing ka. You will try to get out of your comfort zone. You will explore possibilities, mga other opportunities for you. Some of you, pwede rin, if you are in a relationship right now, pwedeng mai-involve kayo ng person mo sa isang negosyo, na magsisimula kayong magnegosyo together ng person mo, or some of you, pwedeng you will spend more time together traveling, going to different places. You have the Queen of Pentacles. So, isa sa focus mo ngayon yung financial stability. Okay? You have the Three of Wands. This is about expansion. So, merong nagbabago sa situation mo, sa finances mo. Kung meron kang negosyo, maaring dumami yung iyong customers, lalo na kung i-involve mo yung sa sarili mo sa social media marketing. Yun na kasi ngayon ang labanan, no? Yung social media presence nasa internet. Some of you, maaring, kung meron kayong existing business, pwedeng magdadagdag kayo ng products, services, or branches, no? Ng negosyo na yan. Yung iba, international business. Pwedeng, it will also require travel for some of you. You have the Six of Cups. Possible na meron kang babalikan na interest mo nung bata ka. Pwedeng nung bata ka or not so distant past na hindi mo nabigyan ng attention for some reasons. Pwedeng naging very busy ka. And ngayon, mabibigyan mo na siya ng attention, lalo na kung meron kang support na nakukuha sa mga kaibigan mo or romantic partner mo or sa mga loved ones mo. So I feel like you're going to take a risk in this venture, in this project na matagal mo nang gustong gawin, pero pwedeng naudlot dati, hindi natuloy, and now you're going to pursue this. You have the Hierophant. Yung iba sa inyo mag-aasawa. Yung iba sa inyo, kaibigan nyo pa yan. No? Parang tipong made-develop kayo ng inyong friend. Or itong person na mapakakasalan mo ay masasabi mong naging kaibigan mo muna bago kayo naging lovers. You also have the Knight of Swords. Things are going to happen really fast, no? Parang, lalo na if you are open to dating, no, or to meeting new people, pwedeng yung iba, no, pwedeng ma-involve sa isang whirlwind romance na parang kakikilala mo lang and then after a few months, kinasal ka na. Tipong bago matapos yung June 2025, ikakasal ka na. Let's see what else. Uy, pwede rin may baby rito. Oh my God, Leo. Definitely partnership, okay? Major transformation in your relationship. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, it's either mabubuntis, tapos magpapakasal, or makakabuntis, magpapakasal, or after nyo ikasal, magkaka-baby agad. This is also your energy. This is happiness. I feel like, kung sino man tong person na you will end up with, magiging masaya ka sa person na to. Ayun, medyo mapapagastos ka lang. Medyo mapapagastos ka lang, no? Pwedeng you are dealing with a Virgo, or kapareho mo na Leo, pwede ring Taurus, or an Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, pay attention rin sa finances mo. Okay? Maging maingat sa, like what I mentioned kanina, kung meron kang business na papasukin, business partnership, you have to make sure na protected ka ng kontrata and pinag-aralan mo, pinag-isipan mo, ni-research mo. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng mapapagastos kayo masyado sa isang business na papasukin nyo or sa kasal or isang event ng relationship ninyo na yung alam mo yung magtutuloy-tuloy yung gastos, yung tipong ah, may parating na baby, tas magpapakasal, syempre yung panganganak, 'di ba? May ano yon gastos, tapos magpapabinyag and so on. So, yeah, pwedeng mag-struggle ng konti sa finances dahil sa sunod-sunod na ah, need ng pera, no? But you have the Six of Wands here, so this is about success, no? So, all in all, it's going to be a successful year for you, May 2024 hanggang June 2024. 2025, okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye!